right, that's good. Hey everybody, I'm Taniya Nayak, and if you know me, you know I love to throw a party, but I'm also thrifty and I like to upcycle. I'm going to show you how to make a champagne bucket using a paint bucket. I know everybody has one of these lying around the house, and if you don't, you can pick one up at the craft store. I got mine because it's clean and easy to just get started. Also, I like to use a self-adhesive wallpaper, partly because it's a vinyl, so it's a little water resistant, and because it's self-adhesive, it's gonna stick like nobody's business. Next thing you need, a tape measure, I know you have one of these, and a pair of scissors, a little glue just in case you need it, you may not. And last but not least, just because we wanna make sure, being a champagne bucket, you're gonna have ice, and with ice comes water, so we wanna protect it. So this is just a clear coat to protect it when we're done. Here's the trick. You have to get something that's bendable and measure all the way around. So I'm at 21 inches all the way around. Every designer will tell you to measure twice and cut once. It is 7.5 inches. All right, we're right about there. Right size. Oh yeah, that's so cute. For the end of it is just nice and smooth. And looky, look what we have here. An adorable champagne bucket. Ta-da! Pop that baby in there, and you have the perfect little accessory for your party. Here's another one of my little party tricks. You know, when you're having a party, people like to put their drinks down somewhere. Maybe you'll have a bowl of nuts, but you don't have enough cocktail tables to go around. Well, we're gonna make one. All you need are some clear acrylic bowls or plastic bowls, a tray that you would normally serve pizza on. Most importantly, we need some glue, gold metallic spray paint for the top. I'm gonna use a black glossy spray paint for my base. But before I do all of that, I need to prime everything to make sure the paint stays durable and scratch-free. And then last but not least, it's always a good idea to seal it with a clear coat. I can't wait to show you what this is gonna look like. It's gonna blow your mind. Okay, to glue this, I'm gonna use a certain glue that I need to dampen the surface first. Then I'm just gonna run a little bit of glue around here. And we're just gonna put these end to end, just like this. We are in business. I see a cocktail table in the making. Okay, now that everything is sprayed and dried, all we have to do is run a bead of glue right around the edge. There is our fabulous table base. We're gonna cap it all off with our top. And I'm just gonna put some glue on the trim of that and make sure I line it up, and we've got ourselves a fabulous little coffee table. Party time! Thanks, Rachel.